For year-round comfort, you need an air conditioner that cools in summer and heats in winter. You need a reverse cycle split system air conditioner. Consider the benefits. They're easy to install, they heat and cool, and come with some great added features. First, installation. Split systems are easy to install with one of our licensed and insured professionals. Need a hand? Our home services team is here to help. Next, they heat and cool, so there is no need to buy a separate heater in winter. A reverse cycle split system unit does both, which means you stay cool on summer days and warm on frosty nights. All at the touch of a button on the same remote. Plus, some of the latest models come with great features like a built-in air purifier to remove bacteria and allergens from the air. Motion sensors switch your system on and off depending on whether someone is in the room, so you save on energy bills. And Wi-Fi connectivity so you can control your aircon from your smartphone. The good guys are here to help. Visit us in store or online.